How to send and share files in Dropbox. So first you'll need to go to dropbox.com, sign in or create a new account, and also sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, you should get 2 gigabytes of free space that you can use. Then you'll need to compress your file and put it in a RAR or zip file by right-clicking on your file or your folder and then add to archive and then compress it into RAR or zip. You'll need to have WinRAR installed or 7-zip, and then select your file and drag it and drop it to this box right here, like this. You can also click on upload or drop and choose file and then navigate to your file. It's pretty much the same. Now you should simply wait for the upload process to finish, which you can see right here. Now once your file finishes uploading, you can click on the share button right here. And this should generate a link, which you can click on copy link right here. And this is your link. You can click on copy to copy it to your clipboard. And as it says under this box right here, anyone who has this link can view and download the file. You can also manage this privacy settings and choose who accesses the link and if you want it to expire after a specific day. But this will require paying for Dropbox. It's not available for free. And from this Dropbox, you can choose who can access the link, whether it's anyone with the link or only people invited. And then you can simply invite specific people to access the file or the link. Now, if you paste your link into a new tab, you should be able to download this file. And it should look like this. Then you should click on the download button on the top right hand side. And you should send this link to anyone that you want to share the file with. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next video.